and not just black players, because Curt Flood really he is the sole reason why you see the mega contracts in baseball. Curt Flood sued baseball. This is back circa 1972 because he felt that players should have the right to choose where they play once their contracts are up. Because back before then, you even when your contract was up, that team could still keep you, and it was no movement. You had no way of getting away from certain situations. And Curt Flood sued baseball and won. Of course, he paid the price because his career ended because of that. But baseball players then and all throughout until now and going forward have won big time. When you see Shohei Ohtani signing for $70 million a year, he should be thanking Curt Flood. In fact, Curt Flood should be getting his family should be getting residuals. You know how folks are. But it's no joke that it was Curt Flood who opened the gates for free